So here we have the Voelker S964 hospital bed, and this video is just to show you the side rails, which is one of the, or the side rail bumpers, which is one of the options you can choose for this bed. The bumpers which are on each side of the bed at the moment are handed, so you have to make sure the left hand bumper goes on the left hand side of the bed. How you denote what handing the bumper needs to go on is there's a label here which clearly identifies outside of the bed foot end, so you couldn't put this bumper on that side because your label would end up on the inside of the bed. You've got a shorter piece here which goes over this side rail. This is where the gap is between the two side rails, where you've got a hard infill on this side. You've then got your bigger piece to go over your wider side rail at the head end. There's Velcro all the way underneath, so you can ensure it Velcro's in position. But for taking the bumper off, which I'll show you now, you can unvelcro the bumper and lift the whole bumper off in one piece. It's almost like a tea cosy type arrangement. This infill section here you can remove with a zip, so by undoing the zip here you can take out the hard infill piece, allowing you to wash the bumper should you need to or ever replace it. But it's important that this hard section ends up on the inside of the bed and not the outside. A couple of other points. One is the side rails need to be in the highest position before the bumper goes on. So if you have the side rail not lifted up to its highest position, the bumper will end up quite floppy on top, so ensure that that's in the highest position on both sides. Another key point is to ensure that the bed is in a lie flat position. If the headrest or the knee brake is lifted up, the bumper will ruckle and it won't sit on the rails as easily. Any questions or any queries, please reach out to Innova. Our email address is inquiries@innova.uk.com. Thank you.